In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Agoda taxes and fees so you always know exactly what you're paying before you confirm a booking. We'll go step by step through the process, and I'll also point out a few things to watch for so there are no surprises at checkout. First, make sure you're logged into your Agoda account. This might sound obvious, but it's important because prices, available deals, and even the way taxes and fees are displayed can sometimes change slightly depending on your account, your location, or any loyalty discounts you might have. If you're not already signed in, head to the top of the Agoda homepage, click on the sign in option, and log in with your usual details. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start searching. Next, search and select a hotel on Agoda. On the homepage, enter your destination, your check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests and rooms you need. Then hit search. Agoda will show you a list of available properties. Take your time here. You can use filters for price range, star rating, guest rating, or specific amenities that matter to you. When you see a hotel that looks like a good fit, click on it to open the hotel's main page and scroll through the room types, photos, and guest reviews. Once you've decided which room you're interested in, select that room to move forward. Now proceed to the booking page. After choosing your room type, look for a button that says something like Book Now or Reserve. Clicking this will take you to the booking page where Agoda summarizes your selection. Here, you'll see your travel dates, room type, cancellation policy, and the base price. This page is where most of the important price information starts to appear, so pause for a moment and review what you see. Make sure your dates, number of guests, and room type are correct, because taxes and fees are usually calculated based on those details. Once you're on the booking page, you want to view the total price details. Look for a section near the price that may say price breakdown, so view details or something similar. When you expand this section, Agoda will show you how the total cost is put together. You should see the base room rate, often listed per night, and then a subtotal for your entire stay. Below that, there will usually be another line or section that relates to taxes and fees. This expanded view is essential if you want to avoid unexpected costs at the final step. Finally, check taxes and additional fees carefully. In the detailed breakdown, you should see exactly what portion of the total amount is being charged as taxes and what portion is labeled as fees or service charges. Sometimes Agoda will note whether certain fees, such as resort fees or local city taxes, are already included in the total price or are payable directly at the property when you arrive. Read any small notes or messages under the price breakdown. This is where Agoda may indicate things like pay at hotel, charges, or required deposits. If you see any fees that aren't clear, you can scroll further down the page to read the booking conditions or open the hotel's policy section for clarification. By following these steps each time you book, you'll always have a clear view of your Agoda taxes and fees before you confirm payment, helping you budget accurately and avoid last-minute surprises.